94 Acura Integra. We want to see what kind of comments you guys give about this. Some other shop did it, and we're gonna fix it. So they did all this, they went through. You can see the difference in work. All bent and crazy. We're gonna put a muffler on it, one of these, instead of the, what's on it now. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. So we cut it all off, as you guys can see right there. And we replaced it with that. Just a single muffler, nice and pretty. A lot cleaner. Looks like a normal car again. Give a guess. Sounds like an Integra again. I love the window. Be patient. That's great. Come on back. Much better. Much better looking than that. That's good as a joke, but not every day, you know. Yeah, so much cleaner.
Take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?